Nothing beats a Sunday at Clockwork Plaza.
Especially with these citrus tarts. Perfection!
Kiro, that cart's out of control. Relax, Milo. A little chaos spices up the day.
Steady, almost there.
Got it! Now bring it home, Hero.
All in a day's work. See you around, folks. Can't wait for the next adventure.